Hey guys, it's Richard from Deborah, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through the CPAgrip affiliate network. Okay, so let's get straight to it. So we have the CPAgrip affiliate network. We're on their main website. As you can see, put your website to work. This is an incentive affiliate network. Our performance network and monetization tools are the industry choice for content publishers, website owners, and app developers. So they have content lockers, URL and download lockers, video lockers, offer walls, virtual currency. So if you are producing incentive traffic, then this is an awesome network for you to join. I know several affiliates that do incentive traffic who are part of this network. And if you don't know what incentive traffic is, so incentive is essentially for you to make an affiliate conversion, you are providing the traffic and incentive for them to go through the particular offer. So example could be, let's say you have a fortnight offer. You could have run ads on, let's say, Snapchat, for example, and you are telling the Snapchat users for you to get access to this fortnight cheat sheet. You will then need to complete these two things. That could be download one app or sign up to this website, and you will then get a payout for each action that is taken. So it's still CPA, but there's an incentive that is on the back end that you are giving to the user as well. So yeah, that's essentially how it works. So let's take a look. So you've got publishers and there's monetization tools. So let's look at their publisher page for CPAgrip. Let's take a look. Cool. So the industry leading 5% referral commission, on-demand publisher support, custom publisher content tools, always on-time payments, home integrated analytics engine, 2,000 plus campaigns. Now, if I was looking to join CPAgrip, this is one of the main things I'll be looking for. They have 2,000 plus CPA campaigns, which gives us as an affiliate a good variety of offers to test, which means that there should be a dozen or so offers that can definitely make us some money, or at least a few hundred, I'd say. So if you like money, you will love CPAgrip, period. CPAgrip's always innovating platform tools and features allow publishers to make more money than anyone else, period. Cool. And this is their own words, but like I said before, I have heard a lot of things about this platform in terms of like affiliates who run incentive traffic who are making some good amount of dough with this network. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're now gonna take a look inside how things look like from the affiliate's perspective. All right, so let me just put this on mute, because I heard a weird sound that just popped up. I'm guessing you're getting sounds from all these messages. So the first thing you see when you're logged into your network profile with CPAgrip is there is like a public chat system. So all the affiliates are running incentive traffic because it's always changing in terms of how you could run that traffic and how you can generate revenues. I believe this chat is here to help for affiliates to potentially help each other out. We can see here somebody's earned $97,000 with this network. Another person's earned $44,000. Someone else has earned $64,000. Someone else has earned $70,000, and we've got somebody probably fairly new who's earned $700. And this is live, and it's just being shown by systems. I guess it's like automatic updates, which is pretty cool. And then you can just start chatting with people, which is pretty awesome if you're especially if you're new to this type of traffic. So yeah, on the right hand side, if we were running traffic here, we'd see the stats overview, today, yesterday, month to date. You can see views, clicks, leads, revenue, EPC, conversion. So essentially all the good stuff that you want to see as an affiliate, you can see that straight away on the dashboard, which is pretty awesome. So I'm scrolling down now and I can see some offers straight away. So we can see that it's quite low payout for the offer, so like 0.44 cents for some of the offers. But we got to remember, guys, we are providing an incentive for this traffic, so the conversion should be much higher than you would expect, which means that your EPC, earning per click, should be quite low, all right, and your cost per click to get people to, you know, to get to the offers should be quite low. So usually the affiliates that run traffic like this, they get traffic for very cheap. So even though it's a low payout, you know, if the traffic is quite cheap, then things balance out and you're still making good amounts of profit, which is pretty awesome, not bad at all. All right, so let's take a look at the stats and charts. So statistics and charts. So stats overview. Okay. So statistics and charts. So you can see your, you know, the 1 week time frame. You can split different traffic, so direct links and exit tools. Awesome. I thought I muted this, but it's still making noise. Cool. I think it's muted now. But yeah, see country breakdown, top devices. So essentially you can get a good overview of your, you know, your current campaign stats and your offer stats. And then there's even a further breakdown, which is like a daily breakdown. If you select that option there, which should then display essentially the same stats but on a daily basis. So if you're logging in on a, you know, to your account each day, you can just select daily breakdown and you can get all your views, clicks, CTR, leads, conversion, EPC, and revenue stats every single day, which is pretty awesome. So there's also a tool breakdown. As you can see, we're not running any tools, we're not running any traffic. This is like a dummy account right now. But if we were, we'd be able to see, you know, what tools are generating the revenue. So is it a download locker? Is it an offer wall? You know, those sort of things is what we'd get here. That's the information that we'd see here. We see the revenue by the tool as the variable for the different breakdown. So I know some of you are probably curious, you know, with CPAgrip, what type of, you know, how does a content locker look like? So let's take a look at, you know, the content lockers. So there's different types of lockers, but let's take a look at a content locker. So we can create a new content locker, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you a quick preview of one. So if I hover over here, we can see please complete a survey below to unlock this protected content. So that could be a, you know, a cheat sheet for a particular game. It could be it could even be like a secret recipe. Obviously, I don't know if that angle would work, but there's so many different angles that, you know, you're giving away free content, you know, potentially a free downloadable. So you can run several different ways of several different angles to make this work, which is pretty awesome. And you know, people are getting it for free, so there's a high incentive for them to convert with the offers. Cool. Let's take a look at the URL and file lockers. So these are sort of downloadables that you can run with this network. So agree to terms of service. Cool. All right. So if you had something that's maybe a bigger, a bulkier product, or something that you wanted to give away free, that obviously isn't costing you a thing, you can, you know, give people the opportunity to download that for free. But to download, as you see, they will need to complete an offer below to continue. So then you can kind of plug in offers within CPAgrip into this sort of option, so this sort of like offer wall to a certain extent, and they will have to complete one of these. So you can also set the amount, like for example, if you wanted to run a campaign where for them to get to the next step they'd have to do 2 offers, obviously you get a higher payout, but potentially there's a lower conversion rate on that, and that's essentially how it works. So this just seems like a very good network if you want to run incentive traffic. And here are some of the offers that they run in the network. Let's take a look. Cool. So we can see already there's like some lead gen, email / zip submits, desktop, mobile, and these are sort of UK offers like try KFC food as a mystery diner. So for the user, these are offers that are not too difficult for them to complete, very basic, and you are getting paid out, you know, up to like $1.42 for, you know, just a completion of like a single opt-in offer, which is not bad. Then there's all these different categories. So there's download, mobile install, pin submit, free survey, trial offers, email zip submit, and obviously the more difficult it is to complete the offer, the higher you get paid. And I've seen some offers in this network that go up to like almost $20, and I think it's even higher. Obviously depending on the difficulty for the user, because your conversion rate will be reflective of that, right? But if you can get those to convert, it's not bad. You can get paid decent amount of dough, as you saw on inside the chat from some of those users' statistics. Obviously, we've got the post-back tools, we've got payment center, and we've got account settings. So why don't we have a look at, if you wanted to apply to this network, what would you need to do? So we see join CPAgrip, so you select that option. And then we have to complete our first name, last name, publisher type, like what type of traffic are you gonna run, company, if you have a company, website, address, your password, blah, 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 Skype, no, you need a Skype, and then register. And after this point, most likely an affiliate manager will reach out to you, ask you a little bit more about your experience with affiliate marketing, CPA, even running free traffic. And as long as you pass that vetting, then you'll be accepted into the network and you can start making money with CPAgrip. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna be making similar content like this. I'm gonna actually start making content around COD campaigns that I run, which is gonna give you some insight into the step-by-step process that I use to make some good money with COD on Facebook. So please subscribe, please like this video, comment any questions if you have any, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.